Here it is. It is time to announce the winners of our July sweepstakes, our brand new product, the Trauma Kit. 10 lucky winners are going to walk away with this. It's a big prize. It's about $100 that this is going to sell for. So 10 of these, that's something big. And I'm here to announce the winners. Before I do though, I want to go into the kit a bit more so that you know what you won. Made from 600D polyester, this kit is the one thing you need when you're faced with an extreme emergency. So, let's first walk through it. On the back, we've got this removable panel. If you have this, you can stick this to the back in your trunk, because the positive side of the Velcro is going to stick to the back and it's going to stay in the back of your trunk vertically. Strong enough to stay there, however much you like to speed. Then we have this panel over here, and you can put this around a headrest like that, and that's going to allow you to pull it off. It's nice, it's red, it's highly visible, so an accident or something like that, people can see it, people can help you, or you can help somebody else. That's what it's all about. So in the front, if you have a patch or you want to stick anything else on here, you can do that. And we've got this webbing over here. Any additional tools that you need, you can hook onto there. On the top, we've got this flap over here that you need to unhook to open the bag. And we've got quality zippers. However, if you're in a real rush situation, you've just helped one person, now you need to help somebody else, and you don't have time to close the zip again, you just do this. And now you're mobile. You can still go, you can go to the next person, you can help somebody else. And then the next part, you just do that and you open up your kit. So this is what it looks like on the inside. On the front, we have this hygiene mesh compartment, and in it we have gloves and alcohol wipes and things to keep your gear clean. Then these are the two main compartments. We partnered up with the guys from Recon Medical, a very good windlass tourniquet. It's strong. We've got a splint, and then we also partnered up with North American Rescue. They make great products. Their mini responder, 2 hyphen vent chest seals, compressed gauze. We have quality shears, permanent marker, and with COVID going on, you don't want to get infected because you're helping somebody. So we also went as far as putting in safety glasses, and you just add a mask and you're going to be protected and you can administer first aid and help somebody. We've got emergency blankets, gauze swabs, compression bandages. That's within the kit stock standard. Now, for a limited time, next week we're going to start selling these. We are also giving away extra free to the first customers. All of our products, there's normally something in it that we call an Easter egg. You have to dig a little bit, but there's something inside there that gives you a clue of what to do, and then you can get some extra stuff that we ship to you if you join our VIP club. So these people are also going to get an emergency bandage, a first aid guide, and a little pen light. So yeah, that's the kit. Super cool, and 10 people are going to win it. Now, without further ado, let me get to the 10 names. How do you win? How do you win in our sweepstakes? It's like a big raffle, and there is a computer which I do not control that goes inside. A lot of different names are added into the hat, and the more raffle tickets you have, the better your chances of winning. So that's how you win. Now, congratulations to the following 10 people. That is Al Sparks, Brett Duster, Elizabeth McQuaid, Hans Hedeman, Jeremy Wessels, Jimmy Hatcher, Jonathan Deruvala, Kent Flowers, Linda S. Zandy, and Teresa Doherty. Guys, congratulations. I just sent you an email as well. Just get back to me with your address so I can ship this to you absolutely free. If you didn't win, don't worry. Our sweepstakes run every month, and if you keep on playing, you will win. So head over to surviveware.com/sweepstakes and see what we have for August. I don't want to go into it too much, but what the prize is. The hurricane season is upon us, and 2020 has sucked. Everyone can agree on that. And touch wood, it doesn't happen. We have a very mild hurricane season, but you still got to be prepared. And things might not go as we wanted. As 2020 has shown, you got to be prepared. So head over there. It's called a Hurricane Preparedness Month, where you need to get ready, and 15 people are going to win something awesome. So go to surviveware.com/sweepstakes and check it out. And we're launching this trauma kit this month. This is our August launch, the trauma kit. So I'll send out an email as well with some awesome deals for the first people that buy these. There's going to be a great discount, and as well these awesome things that we're going to send to the first people for free. So yeah, have a nice week, guys. I wish you all the best, and I'll chat to you guys soon.